Alright, hello everybody, this is Craig Booker and this is week 2 of Java. I wanted to go over questions and then briefly get into my app. What are your plans for the project? My plans include building upon week 1. Week 1 I had a app which allowed you to choose from a drop-down box or a drop-down to choose an error code which would allow you to display the corresponding sensor in your vehicle along with a possible solution. Taking that a bit further, incorporating the Google Maps or Google Places API to show nearby shops or repair shops or mechanics or whatever that will take care of that repair. Who is my audience? Well, my audience is going to eventually be vehicle owners. The average consumer is my main audience, and on up to the car enthusiast. How did the lessons go this week? The lessons weren't too bad. It's taking that and then putting that together in context with my project I think that I'm struggling with. A few things that need clarification were the project requirements for this week. This week was a little bit unsure of what exactly I'm turning in. I had a guideline, but that guideline was not specific enough because each project is different. How I take what I learned in the video walkthroughs and apply that to my project. So things are going well. It's just learning a new platform rather quickly and learning how to apply an API which I'm not familiar with. A few challenges and most of them I believe will be worked out with a little bit of time. But kind of that's what I'm facing this week. So let's get to the app demo. Well, okay, here is the app after it comes up. Very similar to what you saw before in week 1. You'll notice I still have the drop down here. So if I go ahead and run this, you'll see that I can choose an option. And it switches this out. So it provides the sensor type and then possible solution. The idea here is once they enter in a radius of how close in miles they want to search, say 5, they could choose show repair shop info, and it would provide either a list or on a map some pinpoints on where they could get that repair taken care of. And that would be using, this would trigger a function to query the Google API. And down here at the bottom in this white space is where it would show either a list or a map with all the different repair locations. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you again soon.